Hey Dan, it's Tuesday, February 2nd. I don't know if you've been following the news at all, but we were supposed to get a massive blizzardy storm today. You can see how much snow is on there already. The driveway was completely cleared, all the roads are cleared, and most of the snow was melted in Winona. And now it's been snowing for about 1 hour. And it's supposed to snow until tomorrow morning. So I will try to take regular updates of how much snow we've got, so that you can see what's going on. All right, man. All right, Juliet.
What?
Okay, look this way. Smile.
Ah!
Okay, go run away. Hey, I want to see your legs. Oh, nice legs. Nice legs. Hi, Coda.
Hello!
Hold on, let me get a picture. Smile. Come on, take. Here we go.
Are you filming?
Yeah. It's too pretty not to.
Yeah.